Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk in depth about the AK103 rifle, a modern classic in the Kalashnikov family designed to combine raw power, rugged reliability, and modern materials. Let's dive into interior performance, safety, unique selling points, price, then wrap up with conclusions. The exterior of the AK103 is immediately recognizable yet subtly modernized. It retains the rugged silhouette of the classic AK series with stamped steel receiver, dust cover, bolt carrier, and gas tube. But with modern refinements, the stock is folding, made from polymer rather than wood or metal to reduce weight and add portability. When folded, the length drops significantly, giving an advantage in close quarters or transport. The barrel is chrome lined to resist corrosion and wear, and the muzzle device includes a brake to reduce recoil and muzzle rise. The handguard, pistol grip, and other furniture are made of high-strength polymer reinforced plastics to reduce overall weight and improve durability. The sights are traditional open iron sights with a front post and adjustable rear ramp sight, but there is also a side dovetail rail on the receiver for mounting optics or night vision gear. The magazine holds 30 rounds of the 6,239 mm cartridge. Interior is relatively simple, gas-operated, long-stroke piston cycling, rotating bolt with 2 locking lugs. The bolt carrier group is rugged, parts are hardened. The internal spring and firing pin arrangement follow a proven design, so maintenance is straightforward. Performance of the AK103 is excellent, especially when considering its role. It fires the 6,239 mm round, which is powerful compared to smaller intermediate cartridges, giving good penetration and stopping power at close to medium ranges. The muzzle velocity is about 715 meters per second. Rate of fire is around 600 rounds per minute, which balances controllability and firepower. Effective range with iron sights is generally up to about 350 meters for point target. Direct fire under ideal conditions. Recoil is stout but manageable, especially with the muzzle brake and mass of the rifle helping absorb some of the kick. Rapid follow-up shots are possible, though accuracy declines with sustained automatic fire. Safety features are mostly mechanical and traditional, but reliable. The safety lever on the right side of the receiver has 2 positions: safe and fire in basic models, providing positive lock, preventing trigger movement. When engaged, the trigger mechanism is hammer type with single and automatic fire modes depending on the variant. The folding stock design includes reinforcement and strength to avoid unwanted movement. Photographic and field reports mention that the rifle is built to work in adverse conditions: mud, dust, heat, and cold, thanks to loose tolerances typical of AK designs. Plus, the chrome-lined barrel resists corrosion. Internally, safety also includes compatibility for mounting grenade launcher like GP34 in military spec versions, plus side rails allow optics, thereby reducing reliance on iron sights in low light, which contributes to safer aiming and reducing missed shots or accidental hits. Unique selling points of the AK103 include its cartridge choice, the 6,239 mm, which offers good stopping power and wide availability in many regions. The modernization with polymers that replace wood makes it lighter, more durable, and less susceptible to environmental damage. Folding stock and side dovetail optic rail help versatility. The heritage of the AK platform means huge global familiarity, huge parts supply, widespread magazines and accessories. Also, its reliability under adverse conditions is legendary. It retains simplicity, meaning field stripping, cleaning, and maintenance are easy. Unique also is the blend of AK-74 derived features, modern materials with the older AKM/7 6,239 mm ballistic performance, giving users something more modern yet still with brute force. The chrome lining and durable barrel, along with muzzle brake, reduce recoil and wear. Unique variants from manufacturers like Kalashnikov USA offer cold hammer forged barrels, side folding stock options fully made in USA, etc., which appeal to collectors and shooters alike. Price depends heavily on variant manufacturer, country, import status, condition, etc. In Russian military procurement or state-run arms industry, the cost per unit historically was relatively modest in local currency, albeit export and import add costs internationally in civilian or semi-auto legal markets. For example, a Kalashnikov USA KR103 folding or side folding variant can list around $1.4 100-1, 500 depending on finish, accessories, and demand. The amber wood furniture versions cost roughly $1, 200-1, 300 in many US stores. There are cheaper clones or copies in regions with less strict import regulation, but quality may vary greatly. In conclusion, the AK103 is a powerful, reliable rifle that brings together many of the strengths of the AK family with some modern upgrades. It is not perfect for extremely long distances or achieving precision target rifle accuracy, but that is not its role. Its strengths are rugged reliability, ease of maintenance, field durability, stopping power, and adaptability. The price may be high for some, especially for premium variants, but when you consider durability, parts availability, heritage, and the performance you get, it represents a strong value for those seeking an assault rifle style platform or a combat style semi-auto rifle for civilian markets. If you're considering one, you should weigh whether you need the premium finish or whether a more basic but reliable version suffices, and also check local laws, licensing, and import considerations. Thank you all for sticking with me on this deep look at the AK103. I hope this helps you understand its strengths, limitations, and whether it might be right for your purposes.